This is a completely unscripted conversation. Nothing rehearsed and nothing edited to sound perfect, just real communication. You'll see the dialogue exactly as it's spoken, including the mistakes and natural hesitations. Throughout the video, key sentences are highlighted in the tip section with immediate corrections, so you can see exactly how it should be said. But don't just listen, okay? Observe, analyze, and improve your English. Welcome to the Become Fluent in English channel. I'm Wes. Let's begin. Hello.
Hello, Wes. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
I am very well. Thanks
Oh,
for asking.
I can see that you're prepared. You have your pen ready. I'm assuming you haven't
Yep,
had.
yep, yep. Yes.
So, what?
Maybe I can write down something.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. What would you like to do today? We can have a conversation and learn about each
Uh,
other, or
Actually, I just want to talk with you because I am new at Cambly and
okay.
I'm still looking for a regular tutor, and I want to meet some tutors to find a right one for me actually.
Yeah, find the right match. It's like dating.
Yes, 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 yes.
Cool. Okay.
Uh,
Well, tell me a little bit about you. How do I pronounce your name first? Is it Khan? Khan?
John, John,
Jan.
John.
Okay.
Yes, like
Jan.
John. Uh,
Okay. Jan. Okay, I'm writing it
I am
down.
from Turkey, Bursa. Thank you very much.
Okay.
And how I can pronounce your name?
Wes. Wes.
Bez.
Yeah.
Okay, Bez. Uh, uh, I am working in a multinational company, so I need to improve my speaking
Okay.
level a little bit
Sure.
uh, be- better. Uh, I am 40 years old. I
Oh,
just got married 2 weeks ago.
oh, congrats. Yeah. Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Has she has she
Uh,
already broken your wrist?
yeah.
Oh dear.
uh,
Yeah. Well,
uh,
congratulations. Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Uh,
So what type of
uh,
work is it that you do? It's a multinational company, but
uh,
what?
I am a mechanical engineer, and
Hey, yeah.
I am working as a industrial services responsible. We are managing utilities such as steam, pressurized air,
Okay.
clean water treatment, wastewater treatment, uh,
Uh-uh.
air conditioning, like that.
Right.
Uh, we have a huge company. We have a huge factory there. We have 4 different plants. So,
Oh,
uh,
nice and big then. Yeah. So what is your, I know you're a mechanical engineer, but what do you do on a daily basis? For example, do you fix aircon units? Do you help produce them? What do you do?
we have plant maintenance activities for boilers, chillers, compressors, or water conditioning systems at water conditioning systems. So we are doing these maintenances, and sometimes we have unplanned stoppages. So we should be we are uh, fixing these uh,
Hmm.
problems.
So that's like the problems in the actual factory itself, rather than.
Yes.
Hmm.
I am working in the factory.
Ah, gotcha. Okay, cool. And how long have you been doing that for?
Uh, I am working for 5 years
Yeah.
in my recent company, and before that, I have another 10 years experience in my field.
Oh, cool. Was
Uh,
that a
so
different
uh,
company?
yes, yes.
Mhm.
This is my fourth company actually.
How is it?
Yes,
Cool.
in 15 years, fourth company, I think
That's
that
not so
can
bad.
be okay.
Don't worry.
Yes.
Don't worry. I've had so many jobs. Not even in the same industry either. So yeah, don't worry. It's gone anywhere from like painting and decorating houses to working in a maximum security prison with murderers.
Oh, oh.
It's my lifestyle, my work experience is very varied. So yeah, don't worry. Um, so are you happy in your job? Is the main question.
Yes, I am happy. Yes, it is a job.
Yeah,
It is a necessity to live actually,
survival.
but
Yeah,
I am happy. I am happy.
yeah.
Generally, I can say I am happy.
How could it improve? And I know what you're going to say straight away. Yeah. How could you improve
Uh,
your job?
uh, I actually maybe I would like to have less working hours.
Hey, yeah,
Uh,
yeah. Normally,
uh,
99% of people immediately say, "More money." They don't care about anything
more
else.
money, more money, less
More
working
money.
hours. But
Yeah.
for me, it is more important, more important to have uh, more time
Mm,
uh, for uh, f- me for my life, for
yeah.
private life, than to have more money.
Yeah, because if you have all the money in the world, but no time to
Yes,
spend
if
it,
you don't
what's
have
the
time,
point?
yes,
Yeah,
yeah.
there's no point. Yeah. And also now you're married, it means, well, it's mostly hers anyway,
Yes.
right? So
So I now I need more time than ever.
yeah, yeah. Cool. Do you have any kids? No
No,
kids yet?
I don't have any kid yet, but
Okay. Yeah.
I hope to have
Yeah.
some in the future.
Oh, how many do you want?
Uh,
1, 2, 3, 10?
uh, uh, 2 is a good number for having kids, I guess.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. One's all right, but the second one is to keep the other one busy. Um, I
Yeah.
well, apparently, I think that's the perfect scenario, but I think normally what happens is they both go separate ways and then they both cause chaos.
Do you have any kids or
Yeah, I've
do
got I've got one son. He'll be 3 in just less than 2 weeks. Yeah,
wonderful.
he's a
Wonderful.
monster. Yeah, he's a cute little monster. He's very deceiving. You look at him and you think, "Oh, he's so sweet. He's so handsome." And then you stay with him for 1 hour, just 1 hour, and
Uh,
you think, "He is the devil." Yeah. So, yeah, what do you enjoy doing then if you do have free time? What do you do for fun or hobbies?
Uh, I like traveling, but for traveling, uh, you need some planned time actually. But
Mm,
for example, for the evenings or for weekends, I usually spend my time with my family or with my friends, and also I like reading and do long
yeah, yeah.
walkings.
What kind of walks do you do? I know that sounds like a strange
Not
question,
not
but
not not hiking actually.
okay, yeah.
Just go outside and walk as much as possible.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it. Well,
Yeah,
I know it is strange. It is bizarre a little bit, but I
that's
like to
right.
walk on the streets.
That's cool. What do you do though if you
I like to walk on the streets without any purpose.
'cause it's what, sorry?
I like to walk on the streets without any purpose.
Oh, without purpose. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, that's quite cool. Is it good for your thinking time?
Yes, yes. Uh, I found that very relaxing.
Yeah. Yeah, it can be good. I would love to do that, but I now live here in the Philippines. I'm no longer in the UK, and it is way too hot to be outside walking randomly. We even take like we have motorbikes, yeah. And we jump on the motorbike, we go to one store, and then even if the next store is just like 10 meters away, we get on the motorbike and we go vroom, and back up again. Yeah, it's the kind of heat
Mm.
that's yeah, quite uncomfortable sometimes.
May I ask a question? I would like to improve my speaking level.
Sure, yeah.
Uh, what should I do to uh, to reach this level? Actually,
Okay.
to speak fluently. What should I do?
Okay, there's lots of things that you can do. You don't need to spend all of your time and money here on Cambly or on any other platforms, but it does help because everything that you learn outside of these platforms, you bring it here, and then we have conversations, and it reinforces everything that you've learned, right?
Mhm,
For example, I can't teach it now because I don't have much time left, but I have a method. It takes about 10 minutes for me to explain. It's a way to learn new vocabulary, and you choose whatever topic that you want to learn vocabulary on, and then it expands basically whatever that topic is. So currently, let's say this is your life within this circle. In here, you have your work, your family, your wife, your hobbies, your walking, your whatever you currently do day to day, week to week is inside here, and the words that you currently know. What I advise first is that you increase the vocabulary, the more words you know about those same topics, right? So you would learn more about the type of business that you're working within. You'd learn more about married life and terminology. You'd learn more about hobbies, whatever ways, places that you can go walking and different terminology in that as well. So that would be a first objective, increasing a vocabulary,
okay.
not to a very stupidly high standard where the words are unrecognizable, but enough so you have lots of opportunities and options to choose when you talk to someone like me. Um, I would recommend listening to podcasts, watching YouTube, all in English. Movies, get on Netflix, watching English. Even have your subtitles, Turkish subs if you need to. Um, Listen to English music, try to pick out the lyrics and sing along. Use it as shadowing practice, right? Um, and talk English as often as you can, even if you know you're making mistakes grammatically, doesn't matter. Just keep talking, doesn't matter. And then everything that you learn, bring it here, use it with me. But on if we talk again, John, then we can obviously I can teach you that method for the vocab, and we can go from there. But
Thank you very much. I will schedule another meeting, another session with you. Thanks a lot. That
fantastic.
was great to meet you. That
Nice
was
to meet you too.
very great to meet you. Thank you.
You take care, okay?
So, see you next time.
Take care.